a good flight. Or not really, but we're gonna go to a lounge and try out our food and maybe get some. Let's go. Welcome to San Francisco. This is our second lounge for the day. The club at San Francisco. So we're still waiting for them. We'll see what they have. Got the tofu, salad, rice and chicken. And these.
Just got rice and chicken.
So we're here now.
Chai.
We had an hour wait time. But okay, our gapon got this nice food.
Ngayong hapon may kapit na alaon nasa amo ang time zone. Dire kay kuan alas padong pa mag alas 10 sa gabi.
Kubig ba ha?
Coffee ko. Mag-decaf ka na coffee. Decaf cappuccino. Same ra sila ang equipment. I forgot to explain. Closed ang Amex na lounge. I mean Centurion. So wala man nakasunod. Because I searched online, they're renovating. So maybe after 2 years, kaya 2027 pa daw open. So, what do you think about the food? Mas daghan sa kung ano sa Centurion of choices. At lami rabi ka po siya or gigutom lang siya.
So we're on board now. Come on board. Only board. No, 12 hours flight.
Bye.
See you Philippines. 12 hours and 50 minutes.